I guess I got over all my issues now. So let's make breathing. Said that 'cause I'm honest, take a look at risk now. Happy to know that I can turn these fighters into gold. For what you are used to, you don't really less now. Anything I'm able to believe you know. Since I was a kid, you gave me
Alright guys, welcome back to the video, man. I couldn't leave y'all like that. You know I gotta do a pull for you guys, so here we go. Let's try the manual mode with the new gear setting. So in first, shit. Wow, I hope the camera didn't drop too much there, but god damn, so smooth. It just goes through the gears like that. That's crazy. Way better, way better. Because before, what was happening with the transmission setup the last time, so when I would get up to RPM, it would hang at a rev limiter instead of shifting like it was supposed to. And that was pretty much the transmission just slipping. It just wasn't reacting like it's supposed to. The transmission is tuned by James Carter, a very familiar LS guy, if any of you guys know who that is. But now, after that pull, this thing is crazy. This is real crazy. Gotta say hi to the squirrelies right there. But that was really, really smooth. I really enjoyed that. That's way better than before. Way better. So we'll try that out one more time. So let's try probably a quick 40 roll. Let's get up to about 40. Well, you know what? Let's do a 30. We'll do a 30 roll. And here we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is crazy, man. We're still blowing the tires off. We're definitely still blowing the tires off. But, you know, I'm speechless. The shifting is fucking crazy. Like I said, if you guys need any transmission work, hit up Jess at RPM Automotive. This feeling is just crazy. It's amazing, man. It shifts like butter, and it just goes. It just goes, which is real nice. Man, I'm speechless. Works real good. Shit was nasty. It's nasty. Yeah, it's nasty, bro. Especially on the paddle shifter, because I would try to shift the paddle shifter, it would hang at the RPM and shift like it was. Yeah, it was such delayed. Now it's like it's just
it's on point.
Yeah, it's on point. Yeah, it's nasty, bro.
Yeah, it needs to probably learn a little bit on the highway.
Oh yeah,
cruising. Yeah, but all the learning in the short is done.
Yeah,
I fucking loves it.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I like that.
Shifts, man.
Yeah, but it's scary though, because when it's shifting, that rear end's kind of all over the place. Yeah. Woo. Well, there you go, guys. She's running great. Jess did an excellent job, man. So hit him up, RPM Automotive. I know Jess does his work. It's crazy, man, because before, like I said, it was hanging up in the RPMs. Now it's shifting like butter. It's going through the gears. It's rolling. It's just badass, man. Pulling up to the shop now. I can see Charlie's Camaro right here. I'm gonna go to Turbo Camaro, and we got another Camaro and the M3. Damn, that's dope. Like it. Forged performance alloys on the M3. Look like it's the SMG trans too. Yep, got the SMG trans. Doing headers on the Camaro. And then, you know, the Turbo Camaro here. And then you got Charlie's car. But yeah, I do got to get the top of the exhaust welded so we get that started. Exhaust taken care of. Elfler's Muffler Shop took care of the exhaust and everything for me. He already getting his footage. Alright, man. Appreciate Charlie, his brother Ferrari right here. Appreciate y'all's work. They took care of me. So if y'all need it, and I got a lot of questions about the bullets and stuff like that, this is Elfler's Muffler Shop on Lancaster. They always take care of me on the exhaust work and everything. You can follow him on Snapchat right here.
You can see all the videos.
Yep, so you can see all the videos, exhaust work and stuff. He's always posting their exhaust work, everything. They always take care of me, man. So make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe button. I wanted to try to do a giveaway for you guys for supporting the channel and stuff like that. Do what I can. Like I explained, I'm not the richest guy or anything like that, and stuff like this is pretty expensive. So what I wanted to do is for any of the YouTube subscribers and people that support the channel, if you're viewing this, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Heard the Nerd. It's the same exact thing as my YouTube. What I was gonna do once I reach, well, let's go with 3K subscribers. Once I reach 3K subscribers, we're at about 2.25 now. I'll be giving away a free flex fuel sensor to any of the YouTube subscribers. It'll be the fuel rail, the sensor, the whole kit. And if you don't need the flex fuel sensor, because not everybody needs that, some of you may already have E85 set up, I will be giving away a free detailing kit. So it'll probably be a basket with a bunch of mothers, probably some chemical guy stuff in there and stuff like that, just to support you guys as y'all supporting me to help out the channel. So I appreciate y'all support. So hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to the channel. Let's keep the views up. Let's push for 3K now. We already hit the 2K subs, so let's push for 3K subscribers. Appreciate you.